to introduce another tool called the zoom tool, which is this magnifying glass towards the bottom of the panel. With that zoom tool, notice there's a plus sign inside of the icon, which means if I click, it's gonna zoom in. Or similar to the selection technique, I can click, hold, and drag, creating that marquee or the dashed line. And whatever's inside of that marquee area, that's specifically what I'm gonna zoom into. So of course you can now see the entire shape at this point. Now another keyboard shortcut I would encourage you to use is Command 0. And what that does is allows you to zoom out so that you can see the entire page that you're working with. So again, zoom tool, I can zoom in, Command 0, I quickly zoom out. Now, if I am zoomed in and I want to just zoom out in increments, I have to hold down the Option key, which changes that plus sign inside of the magnifying tool into a negative or minus, and then I click with my mouse. If I'm zoomed in and I don't want to zoom out, I just want to simply move my page so I can see other artwork on the page, I'm going to use another keyboard shortcut, which is to hold down the space bar. You might have to move your cursor just slightly so that you see the little hand icon change, and then click, hold, and drag. When you release the space bar and move your cursor slightly, it'll go back to the previous tool you were working with. So now I'm back to the zoom tool. So those are a couple of efficiency techniques. Some of those can be found in the menu bar. For example, if I go up to the word view, this fit page in window is that Command 0 keyboard shortcut I just mentioned to you. If you're a keyboard type person, you could also hit Command minus to zoom out or Command equal to zoom in. Another really good one to remember is if you want to view the entire spread that you're working on. It's actually Command Shift 0. Command Shift 0. And of course, one last one, Command 1 will show you the artwork at its original size.